Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Christy Evers, owner of Happily Evers After Vacations, and my channel is all about travel. If you like travel destination information, travel tips, travel hacks and reviews, then this channel is for you, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I am going to do a review and unboxing of Nomadik. This is a great subscription box for hikers, outdoorsmen, that sort of thing. I do a lot of hiking, so I thought I would check out these boxes and see if they're worth it. Let's dig in and see what they have. I'm actually going to be looking at two boxes today. I have their original box. When you first sign up, you can either get a choice of 2 packs. This one is the hammock box, and then I'm also going to share with you the second box that I got, and I'll tell you if I think I'll use the stuff that they sent me, and we'll see if I'm going to go ahead and stick around for a third box. Let's open this up and see what they have. First, they do give a nice pamphlet that tells you all about what is inside. And they also give some tips here, nomadic tips. Let's start with the first thing that they give us. They give us a Grand Trunk starter hammock. And it does have, I've checked, I've already seen, they do have like the carabiners and everything that you need. I have not set this up yet, so I don't know how easy it is to set up yet. I guess that's for another video some other time. If this works, I'm gonna love having this. This right here makes the whole first subscription worth it. Second thing that they also have is some mini patches. This is for fixing your tents or anything that might need patching to keep water out, which is very handy, and it's nice and compact. So that's good. I will definitely use these as well. Next thing here are, these are really fabulous. I always love things like this. These are hurricane matches. So these are waterproof. They will light even if it's stormy, windy, rainy, all that stuff. These are heavy duty matches. These are great to have in your backpacks, glove compartment. These are also big thumbs up. So far, this box is a win. The next thing in here is a strawberry lemonade hydration drink mix. Also a big win. I like drink mixes, and it's nice and compact as well. So yeah, this is also a good thing to have. There's 2 more things left in here. These are, one is a mini essentials face wipe. I like this. I usually keep these packed in my toiletry bag wherever I travel. Also good. And this is a fortifying face balm. So, you go hiking, this helps keep your skin more moisturized where a cold wind could dry and crack your skin. So yeah, this first box, big win. I will use every single thing that's in this box. All right, now let's move on to the second one and see if it's just as good. So this is my second one. It's the exact same size. Let's open it up. Take a peek inside. And ta-da! We have our informational packet, which is always nice. And also more tips. Let's see what we have. It says the first thing is a Topo design bag. It's a packing cube. I like packing cubes. Oh, this is nice. It's a nice size. It's not too bulky, but it's big enough to fit stuff. Let's see what's on the inside. It has some nice, oh, this is nice because you can hook things. You can hook it on something or other things to it. Is there anything special on the inside? All right, so there's not any additional pockets or anything, but that's not bad because it is small anyway. So yeah, I could definitely see myself using this. Big win. All right, so far, everything I've received so far is, I will use everything. All right, next thing, thread wallet and an elastic card holder. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. All right, I've got to open this. What does it say? Keep your cards and cash safe and secure when you travel with the elastic card holder. It's durable, tight-knit, elastic, expands and contracts to keep cards tight, but allows for easy access. Oh, nice. So it's like a little keychain. It's also, there's even like a little extra thing too. All right, let's give it a try real quick. I know I have some cards around here. Here, let's try this. Put this in here. All right, let's see how safe and secure it is. Woo, okay. I'm giving it a pretty good spin here. Not going anywhere. All right, there's only one card in there. This is good because I hate bulk. I really hate big bulky things. I try to avoid having to have bags whenever possible. This also a thing I will use. And I do, I like that it also has this extra pocket too, so you can put other things in there as well. Very nice. Another big win. What's next? A goo tube. Oh, this is kind of cool. A go-to goo tube. Goo tube. It says that it's an extra large opening, no drip valve. Cool. Yeah, I can put stuff in here and you don't have to worry about it spilling. It says that it's food safe. Yes, another thing I will definitely use. It also says that it is TSA approved. All right, another good one. Next one on the list is my dry skin salve. They really like to give us skin salve. So now, not only do I have this, but I have that tiny little skin salve. I can't find it anymore, but here's another one, but this one is in stick form. And we also have a, ooh, these are good. These are really good, bonus. And I will eat this. Also give you the Nomadik sticker. All right, I gotta say, big thumbs up. I will use every single thing that I've got in both of these boxes, so I am excited to get the third. If you were an outdoors person, even if you're not an outdoors person, there's a lot of things in here that I would just use for traveling in general, not even necessarily for hiking. This is all a really great and usable things, and I can't wait to get the third one. I will leave a link for Nomadik in the description below so that you can sign up for a subscription box yourself. Thanks for joining in, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I have other great tips, reviews, and deals coming up in the future. Thanks for joining in. Bye-bye.
So tell me, let me know in the comments, what were some of the products that you liked in one of these boxes? Would you like to have a Nomadik subscription?